So let's look how we can start to edit the trace, and we're going to concentrate on the fetal heart rate first. As you can see on the facilitator screen, we have lots of controls here to start editing. With fetal heart rate there are 4: baseline, variability, shapes and contact. Let's go into baseline first. When you go into baseline, you go into the editing mode for fetal heart rate baseline, and you can see on the top trace here we have some dots appear. Let's add some more dots. You just tap on the trace. The active dot is the one that is solid. So if we tap on this dot here, we can see we can delete it if we want to, but we can now move it around. We can move the fetal heart rate up, and we can do it we can tap on this one here and do it to that one as well. When we press on the home button, you can see how the fetal heart rate has now changed. So that's the baseline. Now let's tap on variability. Variability you can alter in the same manner by tapping on the line that's below. So we tap on this dot here, we'll add another dot here and another dot here. Let's tap on this dot and let's move this one up and down. You can see the variability changes as you move the dot up and down. You can move it from side to side as well. Shapes is how you change the actual shapes of the decelerations or accelerations that occur during a fetal heart rate trace. And there's a whole library of traces here. We can scroll horizontally through all of these. What you can do is then add a shape on there. So we'll just tap on this one for sake of argument, and we can tap it onto the trace, and there it is, it appears there. If you want to alter that shape, you can alter the length and the intensity of it, how deep it goes. And you can also alter the position of it. And as you can see, you can put shapes over shapes to come up with very complex shapes. You can also add shoulders before, after, or both times on the trace, before and after. Finally, with fetal heart rate, we can adjust the contact. We tap on that, and we can have complete loss of contact by tapping on that shape there and then adding this onto the line. So you can see we get areas of complete loss of contact, and we can make that as long or as short as we want. With intermittent loss of contact, when we tap on there, we see we get intermittent losses of contact. So that's how we can start to edit the fetal heart rate trace.